G'day, it's Damon from Acoustics Solutions Stores again, and I've got Ben Hutter, new product development and coordinator from Autex. We're here to talk about Cascade Screens. Ben, what are the pain points that this material alleviates and why was it brought to market?
So the reason for bringing these screens to market was more space is now becoming an open plan. So the idea is that you can actually partition off certain spaces whilst helping with the overall acoustic absorption of that space.
From an installation perspective, just a couple of little tips and tweaks for us is measure once, cut twice. We're not cutting here, but we've got to make sure that we've got the centres right. We use lasers, double check the measurements, and then ensure that you've got correct hanging fixings for your various substrate mediums. And if you've got a high traffic area, it's quite critical that you sometimes fix on the bottom side of the materials. So guys, if you like these Cascade screens, if you really need them in your space, give us a call and we can get some custom material cut and we can get it sent out to you guys and get it installed by a competent installer.